WhatsApp Flows is a fantastic way to add more interactive elements towards the user's experience on your WhatsApp bots. But what if you can make it even better by implementing condition-based logics directly inside of WhatsApp Flows? That is what we're going to show you inside of this video. The way to do this, as you can see, I created a draft version of a WhatsApp flow for phone repair submissions as an example, is that if we're going to preview, you will see that we start with one input field, and that is for selecting the phone brand. So if I just say Android, then I will only get Android devices which I can select. But if I go back and mention that I have an iOS device, you will see that the device type has changed to only iOS related devices. So how did we achieve this within one single screen? As you might have noticed, we are not switching the welcome screen. So how did we do this? If we go back and edit the screens, you will see that if we go towards the welcome screen itself, we will have three inputs visible here. But on the preview, you only saw the top one. The second and the third one are condition-based logics. So they are only visible when a selection of either one has been made. If we're going to take a look how we set this up, we have a welcome screen where we have three additional dropdowns. The first dropdown, if we take a look, we gave it the name phone iOS or underscore iOS, right? And then we provided a few options to choose from. In the next screen, we have phone type Android, and then we have Android related devices. But the magic happens all the way at the bottom, where we have a visible field, where we have this sort of formula. It's really easy. You can just copy the example below. So this example here, you can just copy it and paste it inside of here. And the only thing that you need to change is after the form dot, you only need to change the parameter name. In our case, it's the phone brand parameter name. So if we're going to take a look there, you will see that we went with the phone underscore iOS, right? So what we did is inside of the form dot, we have, instead of text, we replaced the text parameter with phone underscore iOS. And then if this equals the selection of Android, so this selection, then only this selection will be visible. And we basically did the same with the third one. So if we're going to take a look at the third one, it's pretty much the same. Form.phone underscore iOS. If that is equal to iOS, only then display this field. And this is the way that you can set up condition-based logics inside of your WhatsApp flows. It's a really easy and good interactive experience for the end user. And it's pretty easy for you to set up as well. So you can apply all kinds of different condition-based logics inside of your WhatsApp flow. This is, of course, just an example to give you an idea of what is possible. But using this formula in the visible field will allow you to have condition-based input fields only visible when a previous selection has been made.